wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best pool vacuum hoses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. This Hayward V130 LG standard kit is a basic and straightforward option for anyone who already owns the company's cleaners or vacuums. The complete set consists of 9 regular 4-foot tubes, 1 leader hose, and a skimmer cone. It comes in light grey, however it is a little pricier than other options, and it may allow air into vacuum systems. At number 7, the Poolmaster 33435 Classic Collection is a professional-grade in-ground model that's compatible with all vacuums. Its body is UV and chemical resistant and boasts a high tensile strength, so it won't get crushed or damaged when left in the sun or water. It's a kink-free design that's 35 feet long, but its swivel head is not sturdy and leaks. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you're in need of some serious length, then the Puri 12-pack may be pretty hard to beat. It includes 12 lengths made to fit most cleaners, each measuring a copious 48 inches. This means you can create a hose up to 48 feet long if you so desire. A single pack is also available and it's good value for the size. However, it seems less flexible than others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool vacuum hoses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, coming in a variety of width and length combinations, the Robelle 740 spiral wound design provides excellent toughness and maneuverability for when you need to get into those hard-to-reach areas. Its smooth inside walls improve water flow and prevent clogs. It's backed by a 3-year warranty and doesn't harden at low temperatures, but it can leak at the connector points. Halfway up our list at number 4. The Haviland vac hose will enable you to keep your above-ground swimming hole crystal clear, and because it has an outer shell that resists abrasions and damage from chemicals and UV rays, you can expect to be using it for a while to come. It features a free-flowing interior and an 18 feet length. However, it tends to be stiff. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed to go with Poolmaster products, the Think Crucial 40-foot is a sturdy yet lightweight option for anyone sick of lugging around heavy equipment from one place to another. It's also easy to install, letting you waste less time cleaning and enjoy more time relaxing. This one's backed by a satisfaction guarantee and doesn't require any adapters. It's competitively priced too. At number 2, a swivel cuff selection, the US Pool Supply Heavy Duty is crafted from tough EVA, so you can expect it to be around for the long haul. But to protect you against unforeseen defects, it will put your mind at ease with a 3-year warranty. It's got a generous 30 feet of length and 2 female ends. It comes from a trusted supply company. And taking the top spot on our list. Thanks to 1.5-inch suction ports, the Milliard 5-piece set should fit just about any vacuum you can throw at it. Each piece is 3 feet long, so you have a variety of sizing options at your fingertips, from 3 to 15 feet in total. It's not too expensive and includes male and female connectors. They're easy to separate and store. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool vacuum hoses, or simply click beneath this video.